Hi guys, we're going to be making chicken patty sandwiches today. You can use the same recipe and make chicken nuggets out of it. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I will be using. We got some chicken breasts, some shallots, 2 eggs, Mrs. Dash seasoning, some flour. You're going to need some rolls, breadcrumbs, tomato, lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. You can use any lettuce of your preference. And some good quality mayo. We're going to get started now by grinding up some of the chicken into our food processor. We're going to add a piece of shallot in there and the seasoning. Okay, so our 2 chicken breasts are in the food processor. Here is a tablespoon of shallots. That's all we're going to use. We're going to toss that in there. Our Mrs. Dash seasoning. I personally just eyeball this, but just for you guys, I'm going to take measurements. See if I can find a little scoop here. Alright, this is 1 tablespoon. Let's just do 2. I think 2 will be good. Especially with 2 big, huge chicken breasts anyway. Perfect. See? I kind of just, you can work with it. And I think the seasoning is right on point, because I could really smell it. Alright, so let's make our chicken patties. Turn that off. Chicken mixture. The 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon of water, well beaten up. Our breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and our flour. So I'm just going to take a chunk. Smells really good. We're going to make it as pretty as possible. Whoops. Just toss that sucker in there too. Don't worry about that. My kitchen counter has been cleaned. Alright, first you're going to toss in your flour. Then into the egg mixture. Just be careful it doesn't break. And then into your breadcrumbs. And now the frying process. So before I fry, I'm going to finish doing this and make about another 3 more patties, and then we'll go on to the frying process. Alright, so here are the results. Looks fantastic. Fantastic. They look like burgers. Chicken burgers. Yes. Yes, that's what we wanted. So we can make our sandwich on our buns. So I have about 1/4 inch of sunflower oil heating up. I'm not going to be making all 4 chicken burgers. Okay, I'm only going to make 2. The other 2 I'm actually going to freeze for another day. So let's come over here and I'm going to show you the oil. Yes, right here. So we have our oil. It's getting up to temperature. It's at a medium right now, so anywhere between a 4 and a 5 on an electric stove. See that? More on the 5. If you want to know how hot it is, you just take a little bit of the residue from the chicken. Just toss it in there. Bubbling. See? Alright, let's put our first patty in there. Perfect, perfect, look. I'm going to crank it up to exactly a 5. This should not take long, maybe approximately about 5-6 minutes, maybe 3 minutes per side, because it's chicken breast and it cooks very, very fast. But I have it at medium right now because I want that crispiness on the outside, and we're going to do that same thing to the other side. So let's say 3 minutes per side. So our first patty is out. Look at it. It looks beautiful. It's draining now. We're going to toss in our second one. Look, guys. Look. The second one. See? Low heat. Approximately 3 minutes per side. And on to the next patty. And we're going to make a sandwich. So here it is, the final results, guys. Look at this. Looks absolutely amazing. And so I cut one in half. And look at it, nice and juicy. Lettuce, tomato, mayo. Seasoning in the inside. Yes, my other half ate that other half already. So, what we're going to do is we're going to store these in the refrigerator. And for tomorrow. Ugh, looks amazing. Amazing!